Do you use website today? Now, if you do not use websites today because you think that there's a lot of social media today that you can utilize, you are right, but I want to tell you what's the benefits of having a website, and I'll show you how I actually use website to generate business for me. Now, you're interested to learn more about the benefits of a website? Stay tuned. Watch this video. First, your website will provide branding to your client or potential customers, because if you are an established business, people will trust that you can invest in a website. So when people want to find things or about your company, they would like to go to your website and see what do you really do. So your brand website is like your first impressions. Now, if you do not even afford to do your brand website, how can people trust your business? You see, especially if you're in a B2B business, a website is even more important, because that is one of the number one trust factor. People want to engage you or want to do business with you, they will go to your website and check you out. Second is that I'm using my website to capture leads for me. Now, a lot of people or a lot of small businesses, they build website. Now, those are so-called a catalog website, or like a brochures or e-brochures. So it basically will shows what kind of business they are in, about us, what kind of service or products do they provide, and that's all. Now, there are many functions a website can play. Now, you heard of sales funnels, web store. There's so many, but those are also part of a website, you see. Now, if you know how to do it, you can capture leads, because especially for those catalog or brochure kind of website, it's just for people to see, and you do not know who actually watch it. Yeah, you can install Google Analytics, you know how many people goes there, but you actually do not know who actually watch it and how do you contact them back, you see. So you must know how to set a strategies to capture leads, and that is a very important function of a website. Now, for me, I built a lot of different websites because for different types of products or services, and the main purpose is for me to capture leads. So the capture leads are very important, because without leads, how do you turn them or convert them into your customers? If you're interested to know how I capture leads, maybe I'll do another video next time. So please like the video and subscribe so that you won't miss out when I publish the new videos. And I would love to hear your comments, how you use your website, or you want to learn how to use website to grow your business. Number 3, content marketing. I know you can publish your content on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, even TikTok today, but if you can have your website that consolidate all your content, and that will be great, because people can go to one place and see all your contents, and then you can syndicate it out to different social media platforms according to the audience that you're targeting. And the beauty is your website belongs to you. Your social media platform, yeah, is your account, but doesn't belong to you. And one day, if Facebook say, hey, I want to shut down your account due to certain reasons, they will shut it down, or they will ban you from using it, and you just lost all your content. You see, so if you have a content, then you can share it to all these social media platforms and bring them back to your websites. Okay, so that is one of key strategies and benefits for the website. And of course, if you publish so many content, your main objective is visibility, for people to able to find you. Yeah, I know SEO, search engine optimization, is not easy, but you do not need to worry too much today, because the algorithm has become smart and they don't want you to cheat it or hack it. So just provide good information or content, and then most of the time the search engine will be able to find you and grow your visibility. Fifth is that you can use your website to sell stuffs, things that you want to sell. Can be your training, your service, your digital products, or your physical products, anything, because it's under your control. So if you have a website, it doesn't have to be like Shopee, Lazada, such a big online store, but you can sell some stuff. Even some website only sell one thing, and that one thing will make millions of dollars, you see. So it doesn't matter, but if your website is like your online shops. Now you want to learn how you can find other products to sell inside your website besides your own services or your own products. I'll create a new video in the future to talk about using like affiliate marketing strategies and so on to help you expand or grow your revenue. Number 6, improve ads effectiveness. Now, why did I say improve ads effectiveness? Now, this is not like advertisement on the newspaper. It's mostly Facebook ads, Google ads, and so on. You see, these are social media ads. If you have your websites and you install those so-called tags or pixels on your websites, it will help you to improve the effectiveness of your ads. And when you improve the effectiveness of your ads, you actually save money because your ads costs will go down. Right? So you must know how to use that to your benefits. This is like, for example, you go and visit a certain website, maybe a travel website, then suddenly wherever you go, you start see advertisement related to, maybe you go search some hotels in a hotel website, hotel.com or agoda.com, and then you start seeing all these hotel rooms that you're looking for following everywhere. The ads are following everywhere. Now, those are things that, because you are being tagged, and then the ads will follow you everywhere to remind you that, hey, you haven't booked it yet, so quickly come and book your hotel's room. This will be very effective. So when it's effective, meaning that your cost of the advertisement will go down too. And finally, you will save printing costs. How many of you are still using a name card or business cards, right? I know people like to give business card, especially businessmen or B2B business. But today, can you use e-business cards? Or the best is that your website should be your business cards. But your website, if you design it right, it actually will give more information. Now, if you're interested to know how I created a website to replace business cards, so do comments below that you're interested. Then I'll do another video and I'll show you how I use a very simple and easy website builder to create an impressive, beautiful website. And you want to learn, then I will show you. You can learn how to use this web builder in just minutes, even though you are a newbie. So by having this website where you can go in, people can look at your face, they know who are you, and they can explain what you do, what you believe, and what's your stories, all in just one page. And it's so much better than using a name card. Now think about it. Name card, brochures, you can save all the costs. How much are you paying for printing name cards for you or your employees? How much does it cost for 500 pieces of name cards? And the reach is only 500 people. Of course, some of them will throw it away, right? But how many people can you reach with one website? The answer is infinity, right? It depends how you use it. So I hope today's video, I'll share some of the benefits that I enjoy, and I hope you start considering building your own website. Now, of course, there are many different web builders, but you're interested to learn, I'm going to show you a web builder that I use to create beautifully simple website that does the job for me. Lead capture, content marketing, that helps me build my brand and capture leads or prospects contacts for me. And I hope this video will help you too. If you like this video, please click like and share to your friends who may also benefit from this. And lastly, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I publish business tips in related to online business, e-commerce, every week. So do subscribe and remember to click on the bell button notification so that when I publish new videos, you are being notified. So meanwhile, you can check these videos that will help you build your online business.